At over 100 miles per hour on a packed Interstate 95, the margin for error is 0. One split-second mistake doesn't just mean a ticket, it means a catastrophe for everyone on the road.
Traffic 15 vehicle just pulled over just north of the 284. Going on?
Flagler County, traffic 15. FHD is 51 from the 286.
Why don't you hop out for a second? You don't have any weapons on you, do you? No. All right.
Hands on long.
Okay, come back here. Not matter if I pat you down real quick? You don't have any weapons or knives or anything, do you?
Foxtrot 212, fast check.
Here, put your knees behind your back.
Copy.
I'm just detaining you right now.
25, fast check.
Reason for the stop. You're going 107. Weaving in and out of traffic. Why are you going so fast?
I have an appointment with my barber.
You have an appointment with your barber?
In New Smyrna.
In New Smyrna. So,
but, you know, the car's kind of close.
So you go 107 miles an hour.
I'm sorry.
Weaving in and out of traffic, putting other people's lives at danger. Now you get to go to jail for the night.
For the night?
For the night, yeah. You know, Florida, it's criminal to go over 100 miles an hour.
I didn't know that.
Well, you do now, right? Now your car will be towed. Now you'll be going to jail.
I did not know that.
Michael Stanek, a 57-year-old from Wellica, eventually reached a destination, but it was a jail cell instead of a barber chair. To most, his excuse sounds like a bad joke, but it reveals a dangerous level of entitlement where a minor personal errand outweighs the lives of everyone on the road. Under Florida law, driving over 100 miles per hour officially classifies you as a superspeeder. This is a criminal offense, not a simple ticket, and it leaves zero room for officer discretion. It means a mandatory arrest and an immediate tow of your vehicle on the spot. While Stanek was released on a $150 bond, the criminal record is permanent. Remember, no appointment is ever worth a mugshot. What do you think about that bond amount? Was it enough of a deterrent? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and hit that subscribe button to join the Blue Line Raw community. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and have a great day.